Hi guys, in this video we are going to see about what is CSS and how we can add CSS properties to our HTML elements. Let us see about what is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is a style sheet language which is used to describe the presentation of your document which is written in the markup language like HTML or XML. CSS coding can be done in three ways. They are inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. First, why we are using CSS? What is the purpose of CSS in front end? Let us see about that topic. Uh, Normally, we are giving some elements to our web page by using HTML, right? Now I am using one H1 tag to give some text in our web page. See, I have given some HTML tag element, right? For this HTML, we can see a lot of styles which we can see in some web pages, right? We can see some other font size or font style or color of the text will be changed. Like that, we can change our properties of this element by using CSS. To get this CSS properties, we have three types: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. Let us see about inline CSS first. Inline CSS coding is done by using style attribute, which must be written within HTML element. Before classes, I have used some attribute called style, right? That attribute we are using in this tag is known as inline HTML. By giving attribute equal to some value. Value means I am going to change the color of the text. If you want to change color of the text, we use color property here. I have given color as red. See, the text color is changed to red color. This is inline HTML, where we are giving this style attribute to some element. Next, internal CSS. Internal CSS coding can be done by using style tag, which must be written within the head region, and inside style tag we must write the CSS property. We are going to see about internal CSS. So in internal CSS we are going to use style tag in within this head region. Okay, I have written style tag. Later, open flower braces and close that one. Wait. Uh, we are going to change the properties of this h1 tag by using this h1 name tag name. We are going to change these properties by using a lot of by using 5 categories, by using tag name, class name, identifiers. We have 5 types in that. We can see that 5 types in further classes. Here I have used tag name by taking this tag name. I am changing this property color to yellow. See, see, the text color was changed to yellow. Next, and also I am changing background color. If we want to change background color, we are using background color property. background color was changed to green, and text color was yellow. Next we have external CSS. To perform the external CSS, we need minimum two files. One must be HTML file and another must be CSS file. To link these two files, we must use link tag, in which we have to specify the relationship as style sheet, and in hreference attribute we have to give the URL of CSS external file. Here in external CSS, we must have to create another file by sample name, file name dot css, save it as all files. I have created one external CSS file, right? Wait, I will open this file. See. Okay. Now in this external file, I have to change this h1 properties, right? Here also the same way which we have used in internal property. By using tag name, I am going to change the properties of this h1. I have used this h1 and I am changing these properties color to some other property, some other color, brown, uh, font, uh, font style to Italian. See. After that, when after the after writing these properties, we have saved this file, and we must have to link this file to HTML file, right? If we have to perform these properties to this H1, we want to have some connection to this HTML file to that CSS file, right? That connection will be made by using link tag. Link tag. Before also we have used this link tag to give favicon. If you remember or not, we used this link tag to give favicon, right? We have to give this relationship as style sheet, and h reference is equal to file name. What was the file name? I created sample CSS, right? Sample CSS dot CSS. I saved this file. See here, text color is changed to brown. Okay. By using these three properties, we are going to give CSS properties to our HTML elements. Okay. If we observe that while using inline CSS, the style is going to act as attribute here. When we are using internal CSS, it is going to act as a tag. In external CSS, we are going to have another CSS file, and we have to link this CSS file to our HTML file. That's all about introduction of CSS and how we can add our CSS properties to HTML